Challenge 5. Broken alliances. Let's take it out. All right, let's bring in our tune and get ready to do some damage. All right, that's good right there. We're going to bring in the forest, who's going to give us some support. Put him on hold, deselect. Good enough right there. Now let's start this process of sucking these guys in and killing them. All right. We just want to attract these guys, get them into the aura, take them out. Bring them in, kill them. There we go. Here they come. Catch one. Don't be in a hurry. Just get them as they come. Here comes one over here. See if we can catch him. We didn't catch him. Here comes one over here. See if we can catch him. Got him. Bring him in and kill him. All right, now we're just going to move up a little bit. Make it easier to catch them. Good enough right there. Oh, I know what we've got to do. Let's get that bounty hunter helping us. He draws them in. If you'd pay attention, you'd find this a whole lot easier to do. Use your bounty hunter to trap them in here. Come on, come on. There we go. Here he comes. Come on, come on. There you go. Come on, get in it. There you go. You're dead. Just let them come to you. Okay, while we're doing that, let's come over here and take out a few of these problem children. Got him. All right, everybody's far away, so let's move up a little bit. so it's easier to catch them. They're all too far away, so we'll just move up. Good right there. Use that bounty hunter to pull them in. And we also use the Jericho to encourage them to come. Come on, there you go. Come on, come on. There, you're dead. Just trying to get them to come so that we can kill them. There, come on, you want to come. Dead. Just pick the base apart. Oh, look out, look out. Let's get this guy. Got him. Let's zoom in a little bit, make it easier for us. All right, I think that's... All right, we're going to retreat all these guys now. We got rid of most of the stuff that we need to get rid of. Now we're going to bring in Wastelanders. Wastelanders will clean the rest of the base for us. Eight Wastelanders. You can bring in as many as you want. 8's enough. So you see, it's really not that hard to do. Take your time. Let them come to you. You kill them. Got it. So that's one way to do a 5. So go and do likewise. I had damage on my Jericho before I started, so let's see if anybody else got damaged. I think everybody else is okay. Forrest didn't get damaged. Yeah, it's just my Jericho. My Jericho got damaged. The rest are all good. So we have Dark Storm, Leviathan, 3 Wastelanders, Claymore, Bounty Hunter, and Jericho. So go and do the same.